This is what is called celebrating the diversity in vegetables. Whether it is root, bulb, stem, leaf, everything is here. Dear friends, when you eat diverse variety of foods, you will be very healthy. You can save a lot of time, money when you avoid eating this diversity of foods, but you will pay the price because your immunity will be low. Pay a little extra money and spend your time to eat variety of good food. It will build your immunity and you will enjoy good health for a long time. For this mixed vegetable dish, I am going to use some coconut oil. The dish we are making today, you can eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even as a salad. So in the coconut oil, add some mustard seeds, cumin seeds. These are time tested tempering ingredients. Some red chili. I am going to add some dal, chana dal, some urad dal, followed with some nuts, some chopped ginger, green chili and curry leaf, some turmeric. Now the vegetables: carrot, potatoes, pumpkin and beans. And also diversity in vegetables means good digestion and also very good nutritional absorption. Add some chopped onion, the stems of amaranthus. Look at it. It's got stem, roots, whatnot. Let us get in some reds with tomatoes, the greens with capsicum and amaranthus leaf. This is peanut sesame seed powder. This is what we use to make it really awesome curry flavored. But before that, add some salt, just mix all of them. Look at it. That's why I said you can eat this as a salad also. Sprinkle this peanut and sesame seed special curry powder. Mix it again. The dish is all done. Finish it with some chopped coriander. Let it just cook for another 1-2 minutes and the dish is ready. Wow. Perfectly done. Let's make a special dosa for this. We all know that millet is absolutely boomba, but a lot of people, they cannot make roti using millets. So I'll just show you a very simple pancake, but you can also add some wheat flour. So here is my jawar ki atta and some wheat flour. I'm going to add some baking powder, a little bit of salt, mix all of this. In this, we're going to add some yogurt. You know, the reaction between the baking powder and yogurt is good, and little aeration will happen because we're going to make a very thin dosa like thing. In this, add yogurt, also add water, keep mixing and make it into a dosa kind of batter. That's it. As simple as this. If you use a non-stick pan, you can make it without adding a drop of oil also. But if you want, you can add ghee, coconut oil or whatever. This is the South Indian way of making a pancake by using more water into the flour. So you can use any flour. We usually do with rice flour also, but jawar ki atta, it's like a piece of cake. Take, just pour. There is one funny way I love to add oil on the brush and just do it like this. With very little oil, your dosas will be ready. You can use this tum technique on any of it, dosa or anything. So, very beautiful pancake. What else? You know, eat as much as possible. These kinds of thousands of recipes that we have, you eat, the more better it is. So I always say, de tirudu. De tirudu means eat wholeheartedly and fully. Eat as many vegetables as possible. Be healthy, be happy.